Hi, it's week 4. Discussion is sorting and filtering, and the assignment is to use the vendor data set and create a video using Screencast-O-Matic showing how we can sort the data without using a table. So as you can see, we have 3 columns: product type, product supplier, and unit price. First thing I would do if I wanted to put all the information under product type in alphabetical order, I would click on, say, any cell in column A. So under this one, A4, click under sort, sort E to Z, and all my products are under alphabetical order, starting with baking powder, ending with white sugar. And I can do that again, doing the opposite. Right click on the cell, go into sort, click on sort Z to A, and then it does vice versa. It starts with white sugar and ends with baking powder. I can undo my information by clicking this undo feature. So you could do that again under product supplier, and I could, in regard to unit price, I'm going to right click. And if I wanted the data to sort from smallest to largest, I would click on that. And again, it gives me the unit price of the product type and product supplier from smallest to largest, from $2.12 to $255.80. Again, I can hit undo. If I want to customize my sorting, click on a cell. I'm going to hit Control A, highlight all my data, and go to Sort. Here I have my Sort dialog box, and I want to sort, say I want to sort 2 columns, product type, so I'm going to sort by product type. And here I want to add a level, and then I want to sort by the unit price. So I want to do product type from A to Z and unit price smallest to largest. I'm going to hit OK. And again, it gives me my product type under A to Z, and my unit price is smallest to largest under the heading for each product type. So as you can see, under baking soda, again, it starts with the smallest unit price. I can click undo. There's also some shortcuts you can use. Again, Alt A is to highlight all the information. If I wanted to do my sort ascending from A to Z, I can go Alt A S A, and then it automatically sorts by ascending from A to Z wherever I initially put my highlighter in that cell. And the other question is, explain why this may be beneficial to use instead of a table to sort data. In regard to a table, there can be merged cells, or a sheet can be protected in a table. It wouldn't get all the data. And in a table, if wrong rows or columns are selected in less than full cell range, Excel can't arrange the data the way we want to view it in Excel. So thank you, and have a good evening.